Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play with auto fire mode or simple mode. As you can see, I currently playing with advanced mode. It means you have to tap the screen to fire the enemy. As you can see, I tap the screen repeatedly. But with auto fire mode or simple mode, you don't have to tap the screen. As you can see, this is setting mode. You have to click the setting mode at the top of the screen. There is two ways, advanced mode and simple mode. You have to choose the simple mode. Back to gameplay. Now you are auto fire mode or simple mode. You don't have to tap the screen anymore. As you can see, this is auto fire mode. You have to aim and it fire itself. Thank you, that's all for me. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also hit the thanks button. Enjoy the game. Bye.